There's a little boy standing at the corner of the corner shop. He's been roosting down there, waiting for his day. Now I can't never pushed around, knocked to the ground, right to his feet. What about me? It isn't fair. I've had enough, now I want my share. Can't you see? I wanna live. You just take more than you give.